How an MBA shapes your future. In today's competitive corporate environment, leadership is essential for success. Leadership is critical to success in today's competitive economic environment.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Leadership skills are required for supporting growth, making strategic decisions, and establishing an environment that fosters creativity, whether you manage a small team or a major organization. Pursuing a Master of Corporate Administration (MBA) is one of the most effective ways to develop corporate leadership skills. This advanced degree not only broadens your understanding of business fundamentals, but also provides you with the tools you need to become an extraordinary leader. But how does an MBA affect your future? Let us break it down. What is an MBA and why does it matter? Pursuing an MBA provides students with a graduate-level education focused on core business areas like leadership, finance, marketing, strategy, and operations. Alongside technical knowledge, it also builds soft skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and communication, key abilities for success in today's business world. The workload, however, can be intense. To stay on track and manage demanding tasks effectively, some students turn to MBA assignment help as a way to maintain high-quality results while continuing to focus on skill development. This kind of support can ease academic pressure and help students stay engaged with the more strategic parts of the program. With better time management and reduced stress, they are able to make the most of their MBA experience. Beyond theory, an MBA delivers practical, real-world experience that can have a lasting impact on your career. It opens doors to new opportunities and professional networks that help shape your future. Whether your goal is to move up the corporate ladder or launch your own business, an MBA gives you the foundation to succeed. The program encourages growth in areas like strategic thinking and decision-making through courses such as organizational behavior, negotiation, and change management. You'll also work closely with classmates from diverse backgrounds, allowing you to tackle business challenges from different angles, an essential skill in today's global market. This collaborative environment sharpens your adaptability and broadens your perspective. The role of networking in shaping your leadership path. Gaining access to a strong professional, academic, and alumni network is one of the biggest advantages of earning an MBA. You will make connections with other students as you complete your coursework, many of whom will go on to become leaders in their own right. As your career progresses, this network turns into a priceless asset. The connections you make while pursuing your MBA may result in employment opportunities, business alliances, and lifelong friendships that will help you long after you graduate. Numerous MBA programs also offer mentorship opportunities, wherein seasoned business executives help you navigate the challenges and decisions of your career. The secret to developing as a leader is this mentoring. By learning from those who have already navigated the complex business world, you gain insight that would otherwise take years of experience to accumulate. Networking during your MBA also opens doors to internships, consulting projects, and job placements, providing you with practical experience to supplement your academic learning. Certifications, adding extra value to your MBA. Even though an MBA is a powerful credential in and of itself, many students seek out other certifications to improve their abilities and leadership potential. You can progress in your career by specializing in fields like project management, data analytics, or financial analysis with certifications. Obtaining a Project Management Professional (PMP) certification, for instance, demonstrates to potential employers your ability to manage projects successfully. In a competitive job market, certifications such as Six Sigma or Chartered Financial Analyst CFA help you stand out by deepening your knowledge in particular fields. These credentials enhance your reputation in your industry and help you stand out in a competitive job market. They demonstrate to company executives a dedication to development and a proactive attitude towards skill enhancement. Many MBA programs partner with certification organizations to offer tailored courses, making it easier for students to earn these credentials. This integration helps students boost their resumes and leadership abilities. The career opportunities after earning an MBA. Once you complete your MBA, new career doors begin to open. Leadership roles across industries are becoming more accessible. Whether you aim to be a CEO, director, consultant, or entrepreneur, an MBA equips you to lead with vision and skill. Research shows MBA graduates often move faster into senior management positions. They're also better prepared to handle high-level challenges and strategic decisions. If you dream of starting your own business, an MBA prepares you well. You'll gain tools for financial planning, marketing, and operations. With strong leadership training, you'll be ready to lead a team and grow your business with confidence. How an MBA prepares you for global business leadership. In today's interconnected world, business leaders must navigate not only local but global markets. An MBA program prepares students to take on this challenge by offering courses and experiences that focus on international business. You'll learn how to manage cross-cultural teams, understand global economic trends, and adjust strategies for different markets. This global perspective is essential for modern leaders who aim to succeed on the international stage. Moreover, many MBA programs offer study abroad opportunities or global business projects, which provide hands-on experience in international settings. These experiences will help you build the cultural intelligence and adaptability required to lead diverse teams and enterprises across borders. Investing in your future as a business leader. Beyond technical expertise, mastering business leadership entails developing your decision-making, motivating, and situation management skills. Investing in your future with an MBA gives you the skills, connections, and experience you need to be a successful leader in the corporate world. The certifications, networking opportunities, and leadership development that accompany an MBA equip you to take on any challenge. Getting an MBA could be the turning point in your career if you want to develop your leadership skills and realize your full potential.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.